Vivo has recently introduced a new device for the mid-range segment known as Vivo G, so it is not a big surprise in several of its specifications. But one of the most notable features is its capability of charging at 80 watts, which sets it apart from the competition. Furthermore, this device additionally includes a rear cover that has the ability to change its color based on whether it is exposed to sunlight. It is not solely about projecting the color in a different manner. The material will completely modify its coloration. Therefore, even if there is an object casting a shadow while the remaining part of the device is under the sunlight, you will still have the capability to generate distinct patterns using this rear cover. This device showcases a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with full HD resolution at 120 Hz and a maximum brightness of 1800 nits for optimal visual experience. The processor is the Snapdragon 685, confirming that we are dealing with a mid-range device, and it is accompanied by 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS-2 storage. In the photography department, you will also notice that it is a somewhat weak device, as it features a 50-megapixel main camera on the back and a second camera that is purely decorative, as it is claimed to be a depth detection camera. For selfies, we possess 8 megapixels, so despite the fact that Vivo generally concentrates extensively on selfies, in this particular model existing in the lower mid-range, we will not come across such remarkable characteristics in this regard. Finally, regarding the battery, it has a capacity of 5,500 mAh, with support for 80-watt charging, as I had already mentioned. It also comes with Android 14 out of the box and features an in-screen fingerprint reader. As I had mentioned earlier, it is a 4G model, so it does not yet have the latest connectivity, but fortunately it does have a USB-C port and a slot for micro SD cards. To conclude, I must mention that I had forgotten to state that this device is equipped with stereo sound capabilities, which greatly enhances the overall experience. Both the screen and the speaker deliver high-quality audio, making it an exceptional tool for enjoying multimedia content. At the moment, this device has been introduced for certain Asian regions at an approximate price of $250. But remember that prices here are not the same as those over there.